I'll walk you through the Ireland website for course module. This is a login page. On putting the credentials, I move ahead. I'll be taken to the home screen, which is the Find Post pages. Here I have logged in through the teacher credentials. I am also eligible as a user for other user roles, so I would be able to switch between the roles through this option as well. Currently, I'll stay on the teacher role. I'll go ahead and create a new course. The new course have multiple steps to be taken before we create the whole course. In terms of the basic details, the course details, the time and venue, whether it is online, offline, the fees, documentation, if it is present or not, and lastly, support contract info. I'll start with the basic flow right now. I'm teaching this course as a teacher. I go ahead, select the organization for which I'm eligible to teach. Here on selection, I can select multiple program organizers. Go ahead, select the course type. Here I'll be able to see only those courses for which I'm eligible to teach. I select Part 1. My name will reflect by default since I will be teaching this course. I can add assistant teacher. I can select the languages for which I want the course to be taught in. If translation is required, max capacity, I can set it. Now, program visibility public or private indicates whether this course once created will be available or seen on the Art of Living website. I'll keep it as public. Here we have the option to add course notes as well as the email notes. Email notes, once entered, will be visible on the email confirmation as it moves out from here. I move ahead, time and venue. I can here be able to select all the venues for which I'm eligible to see. I can select a venue of my choice, or I can simply go ahead and create a new venue. Enter the same code, select the state and the center. I want this venue to be selected. This is the course, date and timing. I can even change the timing. Move ahead. This is the phase which is fetched from the Harmony configuration. As I'm a teacher, I will not be eligible to enable or disable the early birth. This is a cutoff period for the early birth to end. These are the 4 fee levels for which a participant can register the course based on the eligibility criteria. Say the person is a student, repeater, senior citizen, or it is a regular. It is a regular fee. Go ahead. I can even select the accommodation if I have it available at my venue. I can see how much is the fees per person for the 2 sharing accommodation. This number of seats that I have. Same here for women, and the number of seats I have. I can proceed ahead. I will be able to also delete it if I wish to. Right now I'll keep it as it is. Move ahead. Here, this is a support contact. Enter the contact details. I will be able to add 2 contacts here. This field, DCC registration confirmation, these email ID or email IDs will be sent an email confirmation as well along with these people. These email IDs that I have for the contact emails. I go ahead, proceed. I go ahead, proceed. This is the final review screen before I end up creating the course. If I wish to edit some details, I will be able to do it here. For example, I want to change the max capacity. I want to change some phone number. I still will be able to edit the course. Add another language here and save. Then I will be able to edit the course as well. My course has been successfully updated. Again,